Welcome aboard. I'd like to show you the sump pump for the shower system and maybe even the sink system of anything that drains by gravity that happens to be below the water line. This is a sump pump with a cover on top. Put the cover on here and you can feel it snap in place. We'll have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 to hold it in place. I'll pull this off and show you how it works. Over here from the right, we have water coming in from the shower drain, the sink drain, another sink drain, and they all three come in here through this strainer device, and then the water goes into that square box, which is a sump, much like a sump in a basement in a house up north. This is a bilge pump, and this is an internal float switch that turns the pump on and off. This pump will then pump the water out here overboard. I'll go turn on the shower. You'll hear the shower run, and then you'll see the water from the shower drain through here into this. Fill this up, pump down, fill it up, pump down, fill it up, and pump down. We'll go through a couple of cycles like that. Stand by. I've got the shower running. You can hear the water pump running. You can hear the shower behind me. And now you can see it running into this square box or this sump. Watch the water as it rises up. And you can hear the bilge pump running as the water keeps on filling into the sump pump. It will run until it goes down to the lowest level, turn off, wait for it to fill up again, then the float switch will turn it on and pump it out again. A couple of things to think about with sump pumps on board your boat. First of all, make sure the circuit breaker is energized. If you don't have this sump pump system turned on at the circuit breaker panel, then the pump will not work, and then this pump will actually overflow into the bilge. And in the case of this boat, they just got new carpet in the boat, so we've got all these carpet shavings that can actually go down to the regular bilge, where the bilge pump is to pump out the boat itself. So we'll want to take care of getting all of that debris out. So you can hear this pumping out. The shower's behind me continuously running. The next thing I would like to point out is this line right here, this dirt line. And you can see how I'm cleaning that with my finger. That's okay. The point I want to make is trying to avoid using cake soap or bar soap. Cake soap and bar soap has a caking agent that will actually put a big debris area around the water line, and that will also go inside this cover, and it may cause the float switch to stick in the open position or stick in the closed position. So if that case happens, what you would want to do is clean this up, get this filter strainer cleaned up. Look here how it's all gummed up right there. Get all of that cleaned up, get all of this scum cleaned up over here. And when you clean all of that with a toothbrush, then come back with some white vinegar. Clean it out with white vinegar, which is a light or a mild acid. Scrub it up real good, and then take all of your bar soap home, never to come back aboard the boat ever again, and supply all of your guests aboard the boat with a liquid shower gel to use for soap. And that way you won't have all of this scum build up. Also, when you finish using the shower for the weekend, it's good to run hot water through this, and then maybe even a little bit of white vinegar to cleanse it. If you have any questions about boating, keep in mind, ask Captain Chris.